Hi guys, this is Mrs. Blaisdell. Today we're going to be doing activity 8 in Access. It's called Jobs, and it's a little longer. It's 20 lines, but not a ton of data. And there is, a little bit of stuff that is new as far as what we need to do in setting it up. So we're going to click on Blank Database, and it asks us to put in for the name of the database, Jobs. So we're going to do that. We're going to hit Create. We're going to click on Table 1, and we're going to go to Design View. And it's going to say, what do we want to call this table? So, we want to call it 2009 Average Per Capita Income by State. That's a mouthful. 2009 Average Per Capita Income by State. Okay, so we got that. We're going to get into Design View. The very first thing we're going to put in there is rank and short text. And it's going to ask us to save that as size 2. So field size traditionally for short text is 255. I want to change that to a 2. Okay, no big deal. That just means that, obviously we won't have anything that ranks higher than that. The reason you to generally do that is so that you don't accidentally type in the wrong number. Okay, so then after rank, we're going to put in state, and that is going to be short text. And then the last one we're going to put in is average income. And as you can guess, average income is going to be currency. So we want to find currency, and we want to also format that for 0 decimal places. But we're not done. So after we do that, we want to type in 2009 average per capita income into the description box here. So 2009 average per capita income. Oops, sorry. Not capital, but capita. By the way, per capita means like per person, per head. So that's what that refers to there. And then we also want to add a caption into the average income field, and it's going to say the same thing. So I'm going to cheat a little. Oops, that worked so well. Let's try that again. Let's copy that, and then down here where do you see caption? It's underneath where the decimal places is. There's a thing called input mask, which we'll be using later in the week. And then there's caption. We want to paste that in there, and that's good. All right, so then once we get all of that done, we want to go back to Datasheet View. And that's going to say, do you want to save the table? We're going to say, yeah. And then we want to type in 1. And the state is Connecticut. So that's interesting to know that in 2009, Connecticut had the highest average income. And that average income in Connecticut was $55,063. So 63. All right, and then we're going to tab and go to the next one. So then you're going to type 20 lines there and save it, and then you you can just go up here to save when you're ready. And because you've already saved the name of the table, you've already saved the name of the database, and then you can send it off to Canvas with activity 7. All right, have a good day.